and welcome to my new listing. This is Daniel Rallo from Keller Williams Realty, Atlantic Shore, and this house is a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom, custom-built estate on over 5 acres of land in the heart of horse country in Egg Harbor Township, New Jersey. The address is 213 Asbury Road, and you get all of this for $425,000. There's an additional lot available for sale that's an additional 2.5 acres, and that can be had for an additional $100,000. If there's any questions you'd like to set up a private tour, you can call me at 609-338-7364. Come on in and take a tour.